Hi, everybody. This podcast episode is about money-saving health insurance and Medicare facts you need to know.
It's not covered by the insurance.
Let's jump into the important tips that could save you a lot of money on your health insurance and Medicare. Everyone knows health insurance and Medicare can be confusing and expensive, but with the right knowledge, you can make them work for you. Here are some crucial money-saving facts about health insurance and Medicare that you need to know. First, it's important to understand what your health insurance plan covers. Review your policy to know the specifics, such as doctor's visit. What is your copay for regular checkups and specialist consultations? Hospital stays. What percentage of the cost does your insurance cover? Prescriptions. Are your medications covered? And what is the copay? Knowing these details can help you avoid unexpected expenses. It's always a good idea to ask your insurance provider for a detailed breakdown of what is covered and what isn't. An example might be, imagine you have a high deductible health plan. The acronym is HDHP. You might think it's not worth it because of the upfront costs. However, understanding the benefits can change your perspective. A higher deductible means you'll pay more upfront for your care, but they are often associated with lower monthly premiums. Once you meet your deductible, your insurance will start covering a portion of your costs according to your health plan benefits. Now, HDHPs often come with lower premiums, and they are eligible for health savings accounts, better known as HSAs. Contributing to an HSA can provide significant tax advantages and help you save for future medical expenses. Now, let me break down how an HSA works. You can deposit money into this account before taxes are taken out. And then you can use this money to pay for qualified medical expenses. The best part? The money you put into an HSA can roll over year after year, building a nice nest egg for future health care costs. Next, let's talk about the costs associated with health insurance. Premiums are the regular payments you make to keep your insurance active. Lower premiums often mean higher deductibles and vice versa. It's essential to balance what you pay monthly against what you can afford out of pocket if you need significant medical care. So deductibles are the amount you need to pay out of pocket before your insurance starts covering expenses. Understanding this can help you plan your finances better. For example, if your deductible is $1,000, you need to budget for this amount in case you need medical care. Let's talk a little bit about copays and coinsurance. A copay is a fixed amount you pay for specific services, such as $30 for a doctor's visit. Coinsurance is a percentage of the costs you pay after meeting your deductible. For example, if your coinsurance is 20%, you pay 20% of the medical bill, and your insurance covers the rest. Here's an example of a problem that you might run into. You visit a specialist, and you are surprised by a high bill because you didn't know your copay and coinsurance rates. So you should always check your copay and coinsurance rate for different services. This way you can avoid unexpected costs and budget accordingly. Many insurance providers offer tools or customer service representatives who can help you understand these costs. Now let's dive into Medicare. Medicare is a federal health insurance program primarily for people aged 65 and older, but also for some younger people with disability. It has different parts. Part A covers hospital stays. Part B covers doctor's visits and outpatient care. Part D covers prescription drugs. Each part of Medicare has its own set of rules, premiums, and deductibles. It's crucial to understand these to make informed decisions about your health care. Let me give you an example. Your friend Jane also has traditional Medicare, Part A and Part B. She also pays about $174 out of pocket for her benefits for Part B each month. When Jane goes to her cardiologist, she's surprised to learn she has a $240 deductible to meet first, plus a $30 copay for her group insurance. As a nurse who used to work for a large insurance company, I know that Medicare and group insurance often coordinate their benefits. So this is what Jane should do. She should verify how her Medicare and group insurance coordinate. Usually Medicare pays first and group insurance pays second, but it can be vice versa. Check both deductibles and copays before appointments. By understanding these details, Jane can plan her medical expenses better. It's also helpful to know that once she meets her Medicare deductible, she will only need to pay a percentage of the remaining costs, which can significantly reduce her overall expenses. Now, continuing with Jane, she knows her Medicare Part B has a standard monthly premium, which currently is $174. Now, her Medicare Part B has an annual deductible that she must pay before Medicare starts to cover services. It can go up yearly, but for 2024, the Part B deductible is $240. Now, after Jane meets the deductible, Medicare typically covers 80% of the approved amount for services, and she'll pay the remaining 20%. Additionally, there may be copays for certain services and prescriptions. Let me share with you some ways to maximize your benefits. Preventive care is another area where you can save money. Many health insurance plans and Medicare cover preventive services at no additional cost. These services can include vaccinations, screenings, and annual checkups. Taking advantage of preventive care can save you money in the long run by avoiding more serious health issues. Skipping your annual checkup thinking it saves you money can cost you later due to untreated conditions. You should always schedule regular preventive care visits. They are often covered 100% by insurance and Medicare and can catch potential health issues early. For example, getting your annual flu shot can prevent serious illness and save on treatment costs down the line. So, what about using in-network providers? Insurance plans and Medicare have networks of preferred providers. Staying within this network usually means lower costs. You should always verify that your healthcare providers are in-network before scheduling appointments. This can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. It's a simple step that can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. Now, if you have a high deductible health plan, consider opening an HSA. Contributions to an HSA are tax deductible, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. You can contribute to an HSA to save on taxes and build a fund for medical expenses. This can be especially beneficial for covering high deductibles and other out-of-pocket costs. For instance, if you contribute $3,000 to an HSA, that amount is deducted from your taxable income, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars in taxes. Now for a quick recap. Understanding your health insurance and Medicare plans knowing your costs, maximizing your benefits, using in-network providers, and utilizing HSA accounts are key strategies to save money on health insurance and Medicare. By taking these steps, you can make sure you are getting the most out of your coverage and keeping your health care costs manageable. As always, thanks for joining us on this episode of Fugitive Facts. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful episodes. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep seeking the truth. Your health may depend upon it.